Hello, welcome.
Thanks. Where are you heading?
Down to 299 and then west is all the information I know. Let me know what I owe you after this.
I always say a foot rub. You never give me one.
Well, maybe today's the day.
It never is the day.
Well, we're gonna find out. Oh, we got a cool truck. I know Seth's a fan of those trucks, so I'm pretty sure he's gonna be saying something about it. Actually, Sarah likes that kind of truck too, I think. But anyway, as you guys can see, we got two brothers driving two first-gen Miatas here. We got a cool truck ripping in front of us as well. Not sure what's up with that, but very neat. We're out in Kansas where my brother lives. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy the cruise as much as we will here. You look dead.
I am.
You have been in the car a lot today.
The car. I'm back in it again.
Actually, you just got out of the truck, technically. But yes, you did spend over 7 hours of driving time in this car today.
I was gonna go home and take a nice shower and sit down. Now it's time to sit down and relax. And all of a sudden I'm back in the car again.
Ugh. We're gonna have to watch the Miata after this one. Yeah, we're eating Seth's dust, literally. Whoa. Oh, lots of potholes. Skinny bridge. Over the potholes. Through the woods. Ah!
Ah! I'm really sorry.
Oh man. Seth did say there's a nice car wash in Kansas City. I think in the like Overland Park area. That was scary. I thought he was going right into a closed fence from the angle. That's what it looked like. Whoa.
Take a photo on that bridge. Also, I know we're taking pictures of the Miata and I'm getting you done. I feel like I'm really sorry about that. We have to cross the highway at 303rd and then we'll go back to 299th that actually is a paved road the whole way across. I just didn't realize that at the time.
That's fine. I think the lake pictures would be pretty cool.
Okay.
So I don't think we need bridge pictures unless you really want one. All right, cool. Might put my lights down just in case one of Seth's rocks flings up and.
Good idea.
Although I don't know what's worse. I guess it's easier to replace a busted light than fix the hood of the car, but I don't know. See what happens here.
on something. I don't even think this is a road.
Bro, you think, bro?
Jeez Louise. The G-force I felt around the roundabout, I could qualify for a NASA astronaut.
I know. It took everything in me not to squeal.
But yeah, I can clean off that front end.
Oh great, now I'm in charge.
No, you're good.
Oh, it's recording. Oops.